Oh, this is tense. There's Whitney. I'm actually surprised by how many people are in the gallery. So we got Chanley Painter from Court TV here. Whitney Heard. I can't remember her last name. Oh, it looks tense. It looks tense in court. Not living for this feed. I'm just going to see if Sky News is clearer. There's me. Sky News. Go. Here we are. This one seems a little bit clearer. Got Ben Chu, Camille Vasquez. Elaine's wearing purple. None of the feeds seem that great, but let's do this. Just gonna turn my other screen down. There we go. So we know we've definitely got a verdict, because if the jury had hung, then they would have said that. Oh, I can hear my own voice. That's not what we like. We don't like hearing our own voices over here. I love Ben Chu's socks. Orange socks. Living for the orange socks, Mr. Chu. So we should be bringing the jury in approximately 6 minutes. I actually thought more of the legal teams would have gone home. Um, I thought we would have only had these sort of the front rows, but it looks like a lot of the team opted to stay. Very, very, very nervous. I mean, I think thinking about it rationally, if we've got a verdict, I do think it's unlikely that Amber will win anything. So I'm quite optimistic that this is going to be a Johnny win. But interesting. Emily D. Baker has Dr. Shannon Curry watching, apparently. And it appears like she's a member of Emily's channel. That's really exciting. So I've sort of got legal analysis in one ear and watching the stream with the other. About 4 minutes to go. The poor quality of these feeds is killing me. I'm going to hold it at HD. Hopefully that will. About 2 minutes away from the judge walking in and bringing the jury in for the verdict. These cameras, man. I wonder if the cameras are sort of weak because there's so many people trying to draw from them. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Now we've got real stuttering on the feed. So we know that Dr. Curry from Johnny's Expert is watching live because it's on a stream that I'm watching in my other ear, and she's commenting. I love Chanley Painter's dress today. This lady here, she's from Court TV. I believe she's a lawyer. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, so the judge should be walking in
we have
any
a verdict
second now.
All right, are we ready for the jury?
Oh, here we
Yes,
go.
Your Honor.
Sound?
All right. Just for everybody in the gallery, reminder that this is a court of law, and regardless of the verdict, I will not tolerate any outbursts whatsoever. Okay? All right. Thank you. I understand we have a verdict. All right, are we ready for the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Just for everybody in the gallery, reminder that this is a court of law, and regardless of the verdict,
the
I will
gallery
not tolerate
not
any
to
outbursts
react.
whatsoever. Okay? Thank you.
Basically, shut the fuck up, regardless of what you think. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. The judge is like Hush, gallery, or you shall be yeeted. Here we go. Jury's walking in. Benchu looks very tense. Camille's smiling, but very, very tense. There's the verdict being handed to the judge. Gonna go.
If I could have the attorney's approach for a moment.
The camera's panning right into Amber to see that reaction. I think it's a mistake to have her in court, regardless of the verdict, but client-led decision by the look of it. So if the verdict forms aren't filled in correctly, they will be sent back to fill them in correctly. Amber is looking very solemn. Maybe finally
All right, ladies and
realizing
gentlemen
how
of the jury,
preposterous
what I need you to do, I
claims
need to give
are.
the forms back to you. When you find for a defamatory statement, one or more, you need to fill out the compensatory damages. It has to be at least $1 for compensatory
ladies and
damages,
gentlemen
and
of
up
the
to whatever
jury,
you feel the
what I
damages
need
should
you to
be.
do, I need to give the
And for
forms
punitive
back to
damages,
you.
you can put
She's
a
gonna
0
send the
there, or
jury
when you
back
find
well,
for a
but I think
defamatory
those-
statement, lines filled out, okay?
All
One
right,
or
so if I
more.
can have you retire
You
back
need to
the
fill out the compensatory
Liberation Room and do that
damages.
for me,
It has
okay?
to be at least $1 for compensatory damages, and up to whatever you feel the damages should be. And for punitive damages, you can put a 0 there, or you can fill out that as well, but I need those
Okay, so
lines filled out.
someone has
okay?
found, the jury
All right,
have
so if I
found
can have you retire
defamation, but
back
they
to
haven't
the
filled in the charges. by
Liberation
the
Room
look
and
of
do
it.
that for me, okay?
Someone has definitely won.
All right, so we'll be in recess till we hear back from them. Don't
Oh,
go too
this is
far.
exciting, but this is probably going to be at least another 15-minute delay.
All right, so we'll be in recess till we hear back from them. Don't go
The
too
jury
far.
have found defamation, but they're going to recess now because the compensatory damages haven't been filled in. So the judge saw this really, really quickly. Johnny's claims would have been at the top because he was the initial claimant. So, it, speculation purely, but it seems like Johnny Depp probably has won. Okay, so the feed's gone to break. We will see how long the jury take to come back. Like, come on, jury, these instructions are clear. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I think it looks like both feeds are locked. They are. This one seems to be the better quality one, so we'll. He says as it goes jittery. I'm gonna keep both the feeds up for now and see where it goes from here. Let's skip back a few minutes and see what happened once the lawyers. When the lawyers end sidebar. Ooh, that was a good shot of Benchu's face there. Oh, there we go. That's what we really wanted. Let's just dump back. See what the reactions of the lawyers is when they leave.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what I need you to do, I need to give the forms back to you. When you find for a defamatory statement, one or more, you need to fill out the compensatory damages. It has to be at least $1 for compensatory damages and up to whatever you feel the damages should be.
Jury gets dismissed. Want to,
and for punitive damages, you can put a 0 there, or you can fill out that as well, but I need those lines filled out, okay? All right, so if I can have you retire back to the deliberation room and do that for me, okay?
The jitteriness is there.
All right, so we'll be in recess till we hear back from them. Don't go too far, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
This jitteriness is driving me crazy. Okay, so Team Depp are all going in for a cuddle puddle. Amber looks very solemn over here, so I think she's probably being told that Johnny has won something. It doesn't necessarily mean that she can't win something, it just makes it incredibly unlikely. Let's refresh this feed. There we go. So I'm almost certain at this point that there is a slight win for Johnny Depp. It will be interesting to see if Amber Heard is still in court when the recess ends and the jury comes back. It will be interesting to see. Shit! Just smashed a glass. I'll be right back. I'm back. One less glass to wash up tonight because my vape just smashed my glass. I mean, bearing in mind that they've gone back to discuss damages. I mean, this could be a while. I mean, it could be another hour. It could be the rest of the day. Um, and again, they could hang on damages. It's not. I don't know. This is kind of makes me nervous that there could be a further delay. Right, I'm very confident for a Johnny win at this point. Um, so, but they could take their time with this. Could be another hour. Could be hours. They could come back in like 5 minutes and be like, "Well, we've decided it's $1." Who knows? I'm very, very hot. Oh, are we back in court? Ooh, okay, we're back in court, so this could be a good sign that they're about to come back. If they are coming back, but very quick. Yeah. I mean, everyone is back in court apart from the judge, obviously, and the jury. But if the feed has come back on, I think it's likely that we're going to be jumping back together fairly quickly. You can see Amber is still in court. Um, I mean, it's a difficult one. I mean, I knew Johnny wasn't going to be there, and I don't necessarily think that Amber should be there either. These these feeds are very jittery. Probably the sheer amount of people that are attempting to watch them.
All right.
Camille is smiling like a Cheshire cat, looking back there.
All right. Shall we try this again?
I'm
All
very,
right.
very confident.
Let's do that.
This is
All
gonna
right, we're
be a
ready for the
JD
jury.
win. And I don't think it matters. Oh, here comes the judge.
Right.
I shall hush temporarily.
All right. Shall we try this again? All right. Let's do that. All right, we're ready for the jury.
Jury coming in. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is very exciting. feeds, man. Come on, feed.
All right, Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury? Yes. All right, is it unanimous? Yes. Thank you, sir. Jamie?
Is unanimous. Here we go.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote.
Verbatim reading.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 2. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes.
This is beyond.
Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Wow.
3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory
That camera
implication
right
about
there is
Mr.
why
Depp.
Amber should
Answer,
not be in
yes.
right now.
Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Wow.
As against Amber Heard, we the jury award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we the jury award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven by clear and convincing evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Jamie?
Members of the
They won't
jury,
poll the
if
jury,
this
of
is
course
your
they do.
verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
Yes.
Juror number 27. Juror number 29.
Yes.
I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial, and I know I speak for everybody here when I appreciate tell you that we
Yes.
appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation
weird.
room for one more
Not
time,
what I
and then
was
we'll release you
expecting.
from there, okay? All right, thank you.
I mean, Johnny winning all three is well beyond my expectations. But Amber winning one is weird.
All right. Okay. In accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 on Mr. Depp's award, okay? I will set this down for entry of an order, and can we do it on June 24th at 10 a.m. if that's available? All right,
Yes, Your
Mr. Chu, if you could prepare that order and then circulate it to Ms. Fretterhoff, and we can have all the objections noted on it. All right?
We'll do that, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, and if I get it before that date, I'll take it off the docket, okay? All right, again, thank you to all the attorneys for your professionalism, and you're welcome to come to my courtroom anytime. Well, give me a few weeks, but then you can come anytime, okay? All right, court is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
There we go. Wow, wow, wow. Come through, Team Depp. Oh, look at them. Oh, that's so lovely. Johnny Depp just won the unwinnable. It's crazy. I'm going to leave the feed up until it closes, and then I'll end the stream.
Is that thing bolted down? What? We should have said that a long time ago. We should have about 4 hours ago.